Welcome to Internal Medicine Made Easy, where we explore a life-coherent approach to clinical reasoning, physiology, and healing. Medical learning often fragments patients into separate silos, but real patients arrive as complex, interconnected wholes. This disconnect poses a danger when treating disease labels instead of the living context. Balancing biomedical knowledge with fidelity to life is crucial. Clinicians must ask about a patient's capacity to live, not just what disease label fits. This balance makes physiology meaningful. The Life-Coherent Clinical Loop is an ordered mental engine to organize chaos at the bedside, focusing on danger, syndrome, capacity failure, coupling conditions, wise perturbation, and repair trajectory. In step 1, identifying danger is about ordered safety, not panic. Certainty arrives late, but danger cannot wait. Recognize time-critical risks and quiet dangers early. Step 2 involves recognizing syndromes from symptoms. Clinicians construct syndromes to guide safe reasoning, focusing on patterns and comorbidities. Step 3 focuses on capacity failure, mapping diseases to failing life capacities. This approach goes beyond traditional disease labels to address what the patient can no longer sustain. Step 4 examines coupling conditions that sustain illness. Understanding these conditions helps determine if a patient can live outside the hospital. Step 5 introduces wise perturbation, where treatments are carefully monitored to ensure they help more than harm. This step emphasizes the importance of protecting dignity. Step 6 focuses on repair trajectory, recognizing healing beyond mere numbers. Whole-person repair markers are crucial for true recovery. The framework translates complex systems into actionable clinical paths, organizing bedside chaos into a coherent approach for patient care. Life-coherent reasoning asks what must not be missed before diagnosis, builds cohesive syndromes, and treats capacities, ensuring safe discharge. The 1-minute clinical statement compresses the loop into a cohesive handover, transforming scattered data into a guided clinical argument. To become a good clinician, one must learn to see beyond frameworks, recognizing the living good of patients. Internal medicine becomes life-coherent when knowledge aligns with patient well-being.